In this lesson, you're going to learn the English simple past tense to the reggae beat. The past tense of be is was. The past tense of do is did. The past tense of say is said. The past tense of flee is fled. The past tense of drive is drove. The past tense of mow is mowed. The past tense of love is loved. The past tense of shove is shoved. The past tense of think is thought. The past tense of buy is bought. The past tense of seek is sought. The past tense of climb is climbed. The past tense of chime is chimed. The past tense of time is timed. The past tense of prime is primed. The past tense of line is lined. The past tense of lime is limed. The past tense of walk is walked. The past tense of talk is talked. The past tense of balk is balked. The past tense of stalk is stalked. The past tense of run is ran. The past tense of shrug is shrugged. The past tense of lie is lied. The past tense of spy is spied. The past tense of fry is fried. The past tense of mine is mine. The past tense of wine is wine. The past tense of wine is wound. The past tense of crown is crowned. The past tense of like is like. The past tense of psych is psych. The past tense of mic is mic. The past tense of bike is bike. The past tense of ply is plied. The past tense of wind is wound. The past tense of play is played. The past tense of lay is laid. The past tense of fool is fool. The past tense of tool is tool. Past tense of fuel is fuel. The past tense of swim is swam. Wow! The past tense of slam is slam. Past tense of cram is crammed. The past tense of ban is banned. The past tense of eat is ate. The past tense of drink is drank. The past tense of stink is stank. The past tense of rank is ranked. The past tense of tank is tanked. The past tense of bank is banked. The past tense of chew is chewed. The past tense of ban is banned. The past tense of eat is ate. The past tense of drink is drank. The past tense of stink is stank. The past tense of rank is ranked. The past tense of tank is tanked. The past tense of bank is banked. The past tense of chew is chewed. The past tense of stew is stewed. The past tense of fly is flew. For amazing results, the best way to learn this material in this musical English lesson is spaced repetition. Watch the lesson 10 times a day for 10 days for fantastic results. Remember, repetition is the mother of learning. Wow! Yeah.